high, I think, but it's okay. It's all right. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hi, this is Keith Robinson, and we are talking through some ideas about Fix My Life. And if you want more information about what that actually is, you can go ahead and watch a previous video and it'll kind of explain it for you. But I do just want to show you the diagram that we work off of, and that is this. So what we have here is we have the word hard and the word easy, and this is basically talking about life circumstances being either hard or easy. And then near and far indicates our relationship with God. And so we say that circumstances can be easy or hard. Our relationship with God is far or near. And that sets up these four different life conditions. So when circumstances are easy and we're near the Lord, that's what we call square one, or pleasant joy. When circumstances are difficult or hard and we're still staying near the Lord, that's square two, or the square of painful joy. When we're far from God and circumstances are easy, that's what we call disconnected ease. And then when circumstances are difficult and we're far from the Lord, that's what we call disconnected misery. So I have a question for you. Two of these squares are earthbound, and two of them are eternal. Do you know which ones might be which? Well, this is how I see it. If you think about eternity, you go, what is heaven going to be like? Well, heaven is going to be a place where we're near the Lord and life is absolutely fantastic. So, square one would be an eternal square. This is a very terrible representation of what heaven will actually be like, because if you go up and to the left 1,000,000 miles, that'll be like your worst day in heaven, let's just say, right? So let's look at square two for a minute. Square two, painful joy. In eternity, will there be any pain? Nope. It says in Revelations there's going to be no more crying, no more weeping. So there's actually no pain. So this square two, is only bound to earth. What about square three? Well, if you think about being far from God in eternity, what is that like? Well, we kind of realize what that's going to be. It's going to be an awful place, a place of torment that we call hell. And actually, if you think about eternity, there's going to be nothing easy about hell. We'll be disconnected from God, and it'll be miserable. So that too is earthbound. And square four is actually an eternal square also, because if you think about being disconnected from God, that's a condition of hell. And you talk about misery, I mean, go down and to the right 1,000,000 miles, and that's going to be your very best day in hell. So we have two squares, square one and square four, that are eternal, and we have two squares, squares two and square three, that are actually bound to earth. And so we're going to take a closer look at that in another video. But I just wanted you to get the idea that two of these are eternal and two of them are earthbound. Thanks for watching.